You know, a place where people are detained illegally cannot be a safe house. It is an unsafe house. A safe house is a place used by especially intelligence and security services to carry out activities that need to be secure. It has nothing to do with detention. And therefore, the fact that there were safe houses when I was minister, or even in charge of intelligence for that matter, has nothing to do with what you are describing. Any place which is not gazetted as a detention center is an illegal place and cannot be a safe house. A safe house...
We're going to have to go to Dr. Bwanima now. Thank you. Dr. Bwanima.